You explain, mommy.
Yeah, we're gonna drink barista coffee creamer. Show, mommy. Show it.
Coffee cream. Oh, this is only for coffee cream.
No, it's everything.
This is for everything. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, the milk is okay. Everything's okay.
You throw
Where's the cup?
Now come here, Jojo.
Jay.
We make it, first of all, we make it. This is English? You make it English already?
No. Maybe it is in English in the beginning.
Yes, it is in English, strong. So this is in English, Jojo.
Okay.
You see everything in here?
Di cappuccino.
Look, hot water if you
I
want.
want
Espresso
cappuccino.
macchiato. Espresso doppio. Flat white. Americano, Argentine.
Cappuccino. I don't want cappuccino.
Okay, wait. We
I
start
like
with
latte.
Okay, one cappuccino, one latte. Give me one.
Oh, this small one. Not double.
So we say cappuccino.
Ready?
So 180, 100, 220 no, is too much. 120 is little.
I think 160.
100, no, 140 we try.
Okay.
What do you think? Or 160, nice. Huh?
Okay.
You want it strong? Very strong? Double
Always
shot?
strong, Kosa.
Granulated coffee?
Very
I
strong.
think mild is... Regular is enough. Do you want strong or regular?
Strong.
Are you sure?
Why not?
Jedan mam it.
Mommy,
Okay.
mommy, can I put in her room and I hold it and I hold it and I hold it.
Go with daddy, go with daddy.
Bibish? Bibish?
I guess it's going to take the milk first.
Yes.
Look, Juju. Wait. Oh. Yes, it's taking the milk.
Oh my god.
So
Oh,
nice.
it makes dirty.
It's okay. We can clean later.
Oh my god. From now on.
Arden, if 140 is too much for this one, for this cup,
No, look, it's okay now.
I think this is too hot. Look, Arden. You didn't close this properly. Yes, now. This one is to keep hot,
Yes.
but you didn't check the menu. We are going to check the menu later. It's hot in there?
Just only the steam can hear. Yo. Cappuccino.
We have to buy beautiful cups. I'm going to bring from America, Juju. I'm going to bring with the letters. J for you, A for...
From America cups.
Bring a J for you, A for the
From
him.
America you're going to
So you
bring
can
cups.
drink.
Yes, because from anthropology, you don't know that brand.
Wait, hold on, thank you.
Oh, yummy.
So we also tested that this is enough for 140,
One-
not more than that.
140.
It's not enough. It's not yet ready yet. It's going to write in there. It's going to continue to give coffee, I guess.
I think it's
Yes,
finished.
yes, no. It says in here that you're welcome or something. Buyurun diyor orada.
No.
You think it's finished?
Finished.
No,
Let's try.
wait.
It's finished, babe. Look.
Wait. Arten, hadi.
Okay.
Wow!
But you can like Nusret.
How is it?
Cappuccino!
Arten, but the milk is really... Arten, the milk is really too expensive. We cannot buy this milk
It's
every time.
really very good. It's woohoo!
Okay,
No
let me
more
try
Starbucks.
something.
Make it
Okay,
for
let-
Juju
Did you come in
cappuccino.
here?
Juju.
Cleaning and care. This is like 45
Okay,
minutes.
first
We'll do- Arten, go and check the girls. Go and check the girls.
First he drinks cappuccino, then you stay.
Water filter. Actually, this is important when you need to change the filter.
Okay.
Sorry, we go down.
What's that?
Huh? Oha, Arten? Martin, yeah. Oh, yeah, this one, okay.
What's that?
He doesn't leave me alone.
What's that?
This is high, the hot, he-
I
I don't want now, Arten.
Hi. What is that?
This is the coffee temperature. You want it
Okay.
high, you want it normal,
Just
you want it
normal.
maximum.
Normal.
Not too high?
Just normal hot. So
Normal hot. High hot or maximum hot?
I just only maximum and high.
Maximum high and normal.
I just normal.
But generally they keep in the high.
Okay, just high.
So we keep in high. And then we have the languages, it is in English already.
Okay.
Automatic switch off, you can make it to be switch off after some minutes, for example, if you want. Like 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour. We make it to 15 minutes, right?
Okay.
What's that?
Okay.
Juju, it's really very good. Juju. It's
really good.
Really?
So water hardness, Arten, what are we going to
I'm
do with the
doing-
water hardness?
Wow, it's
Water hardness
I
2,
know, but-
3, 4 or softening system. They always use softening system
Yes.
if you use the...
Yes.
What? Yes.
This is the Tamajana.
It's softening system. Are you sure?
That's what he told us.
Arten, you have to buy the hard one. No, why I go like that? ketones. Okay, let it make factory settings. No, appliance info. So we get back.
Valla çok güzel bebeğim ya.
Okay, let's make juju now.
It is wonderful.
But do you want latte?
Small again?
You can use also the, no, it needs big for latte. You can take from here, I guess.
You want big?
Latte is, I think,
What do you want, Juju?
Huh?
Yeah, just in case.
Mommy, look.
200 meat.
Mommy.
Give me the with the elephant, huh?
This one is ushak and
Slug.
to wear this
Okay, you check. A slug. You can give something else. Daddy, you can go and check. So it is the latte macchiato. Do you want strong? Very strong or?
No, just strong.
Strong? The milliliter is 280, so it is much. 340, 360, 200, 240.
Just 200 maybe.
Yes, 200 I think.
But no, this is 140.
This 140 or this that's bigger? 200.
200.
I think 220.
Wait, what is the maximum?
360. 200, 280.
So, what about this one?
200.
Okay, Juju, as you wish.
Juju. Tomorrow. So I say you Starbucks.
Yes,
Juju.
this one you can put.
Yeah. Oh,
You cannot put.
Oh, it's not done.
You put this
You can
one and
remove
then.
this one?
No.
Yes.
Arten, you cannot remove inside. It keeps the.
No, maybe
The
we
coffee.
can put two.
Yeah, something
two
like
cups.
this. You put a cup and then you put inside.
Yeah.
get this robot.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Juju! Coffee machine! Let's do that. And now, no one is second.
No more 3 in 1.
No one is not good.
Yummy.
I think it's finished. Yeah.
Finish. So turn it off. How?
First you take it, and we have to look at this one when it's finished, the coffee.
Latte. And cappuccino.
Try it.
Yummy.
Tastes good.
You have to see them. They are talking to each other. Dünya, this is güzel. Me bonugi, onugi me. Arten, you have to see them. Ha.
Çok iyi.
Your turn.
Bu soya sosu
İşte.
bilmemiz lazım ne kadar. Normal suyla deneyeceğiz. Barista. This is milk. Just for this one is look barista for professionals. This is Chibo coffee crema for barista Juju, and this is Siemen's machine.
Wow.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Better than
but-
Starbucks.
Arten, can you check the girls? Hazırlama testi. Daj probaj.
Okay, try.
So nice. No need to put a sugar.
I don't like sugar, but if you want, you can put. If you want sugar, you're gonna put in the very beginning with that one. You put one,
Inside
and then you
then
put it there. After it's finished,
okay.
it's better for, because
I try the no sugar first.
I think try it without sugar because it's better.